Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Just a mechanic tip. You don't know how many times I've seen people at the auto parts store trying to put in Freon in their car and they're saying that the can didn't work. The can does work. You have to unscrew the top of this completely off, as you already know. And the reason why yours is either red or plastic, clear or white. And all you have to do is just unscrew this part off. This prevents it from being pressed in the store or somewhere else discharged with Freon. You can't do that. Take that piece off and put this back on. Now the vehicle will accept the Freon if it's going to accept it. This is always going to be on the brand new tall cans like this. This is just a mechanic tip to help people. It might not be red, it might be white or clear, but it's going to be one between this and this gauge right here. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'm here to help you the best way I can. Thank you. People before profit.